understood from the briefing.
The advances offered by the fuel booster are so great.
They absolutely crush the opposition in any race.
Octane booster, huh? What is that stuff anyway?
I think some of the teams are using it to increase car speed. Heard a few Kronstadt mechanics.
I swear to God, if someone's been tampering with the car,
Looking good,
heads
man.
will roll.
Looking
I
good.
need you to get in the car. Don't touch anything until I tell you.
Wow, I had no idea they could build things like this.
Here we
The
go. Just
arcade
keep
speed
wire
R3
right there.
is the culmination
Reattach
of
it.
innovative work done by
Good.
Kronstadt
Hit
Industries.
it, Smith.
A race car built for speed.
Robert knocks down. Now for the heir to the Kronstadt Empire.